Welcome, today in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll here to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to mute your device ringtone you should hold for a while this dot and swipe it to the left side with your finger, and by this way you can mute your device ringtone. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of the device, and after that just open the full volume panel here, and just to mute your device ringtones there by the same way swipe to the left side there ringtone volume panel. And also we can click here to settings, and we will launch again our full sounds and vibration settings, and here you can just do it by the same way. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.